This is a Ring camera, and in this video, I'll show you how to install it.
I'll be installing the stick-up cam battery 3rd generation, so let's take a look what's inside. The camera is very well packaged. It comes with a charger, a little instruction booklet that you can read in your free time. Step 1. Take all the plastic off and remove the bottom part by twisting towards the unlock symbol. Then press the tab and slide out the battery. You will need to plug the charger into the battery and plug the USB into an adapter, then into the wall. You will see these two lights light up when it's plugged in. Step 2. Since I'll be mounting mine to the wall, I'll have to remove this base by unscrewing the screw and reattaching it to one of these spots. Remove the rubber plug and position the base piece into it and make sure that the arrow is pointing up. Then screw it back in place. Then take your thumb and slide the piece down and you will find this mounting plate that you'll be mounting to the wall with these two screw holes. Take the rubber plug that you took out from one of the side holes and plug it into the bottom. And here's what it looks like with the base on its side. As you can see, you have all these degrees of motion. Step 3. Pull out your phone, find the Ring app, and download it. Open the Ring app, allow the notifications if you like, and create a username. Once logged on, under Setup Device, press the security cam and scan the barcode on the box with the camera. Allow to use your location, then select your current location or create a new one. Then select indoors or outdoors, then select inside the house or outside the window. In my case, it's inside the house. Next, select the name for your camera, and you can also do a custom one like I will. Then select the battery for power option. If that's the one you got, it will give you a warning about fully charging the battery. So you can hit continue when the battery is fully charged. Then it shows you can now insert the battery. So twist the cap open like this and insert the battery. Then you'll have to wait for your camera to have a blue light flashing to where then you hit the light is flashing blue. Next, it will prompt you to join the network, to which you have to press join. Then you'll be prompted to connect to your internet, and after that you will be connected to the camera. It will give you some more info about the snapshot capture. Then you'll get the success screen. As I was focused on the phone, I apologize for the blurriness in the camera. And finally, it gives you the final steps. It will give you a physical installation tutorial to which you can check out, but why bother when you can finish watching the rest of this video. Next, it gives you an option to share the device and then to optimize the motion. Next, there's a motion settings to where you can enable it, and it says motion alerts may be delayed by several seconds. Then it gives you a summary of your motion settings. Next, it gives you an option to adjust detection sensitivity. And finally, on the main screen, it had to install the updates onto the camera. Once it was updated, I clicked on the camera and got this screen. Then I tapped go live, and this is what I saw. Step 4. Take the camera and place it where you want it to mount. Then remove the backplate and mark the holes on the wall where it will be positioned. Next, use a drill and drill out the holes. Then insert the anchors that came with the camera. You will have to use a hammer to hammer them in. I don't recommend using a drill as a hammer like I did, but it also works. Then take the screws it came with and screw up the backplate into the wall. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill, but you don't want to over tighten it. Next, place the camera into the mounting plate, and finally smash that like button and go check out how I installed Google Nest thermostat.